221 South Mulligan. First attempted shingle repair. I'm going to attempt to remove this shingle. Remove this shingle, I have to remove the tool above it. I'm going to be using roofing snake, recommended by insurance. I'll now begin. You can see, already damaged the shingle there. Another one there. A lot of granular loss here. There, so it's 1, 2, 3, and the granular loss on the first shingle. You see a lot of granular loss again. And there. It's not going too good. Both shingles. A lot of damage, as you can see, a lot of granular loss again. Same thing here. Point of impact here. So for these 3 shingles, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 damage on just 3 shingles. This attempt to repair has failed.